Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to listen music together on Discord. So first you need to open your Spotify and choose a music to play with. Then after you play the music, you can now go to your Discord, log into your account, and then create a lounge and join voice. Then after that, click the share screen button at the center bottom and choose your uh, Spotify browser. Then check the box share tab voice, and that's it. That's how to listen music together on Discord. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.